Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Welcome to Trade Map and how to read global trade flows quickly and accurately. This platform shows export and import flows with values and volumes for countries and products. Sign in or use a free trial to access time series and partner breakdowns in the dashboard. Use the search box to select a country, product, or exact HS code and apply filters. The dashboard displays top partners, trends, and a 5-year trade evolution for each selection. Start product analysis by entering an HS code or product name into the search field. Apply filters for year, HS code detail, and unit type such as kilograms or dollar value to refine results. Switch between table, chart, and map views to visualize distribution and trends across countries. Compare market shares to reveal the top 10 importers and exporters for that product. Use the map view to spot regional concentrations and emerging growth corridors quickly. Explore advanced indicators such as revealed comparative advantage and annual growth percentage for deeper insight. Combine these indicators with partner and product filters to identify competitive strengths and opportunities at country level. Use time series tools to calculate compound annual growth rates over 5 or 10 years for trend validation. When ready, download tables in CSV or Excel format to analyze offline or build visual charts in your software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.